Hello everyone, welcome to ITCS Master. I hope you are all doing well. So today is the fifth part of this Excel series, and in previous video we have seen font replace, four color background, row delete, row insert, alignment. If you have not seen yet, please visit and see. Okay. So now, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share for further videos. So let's begin today, and this channel is made especially for IT computer topic, that is Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Teams, SharePoint, computer programming, and SQL database. Okay. Now let's begin. We have already done this, so I am deleting these entries. Okay. Today we will learn time copying. So we are going to see number decimal, currency, date format, custom date format, and comma separated value. Okay. So suppose I have some random numbers 12, 13, 15, 70. Okay. Here you can see it is in normal form. Okay, not in decimal form. If you want this in decimal form, so we have two option. First, you can go direct home tab, and here you can see number option. Just select increase and decrease decimal. Suppose I select 55 and then go to increase decimal. Here you can see I clicked one time and one decimal point has been added. Again second, third, fourth, similar. So I hope it is clear. Here you can see hash symbols. What is the mean of hash symbol? Hash symbol means suppose your content is lengthy but cell size is small. Okay. So if you don't want to see this hash symbol, just increase width of your cells. Here you can see all digit are showing it. Okay. Okay. Now next is decrease decimal. Just select cell and decrease decimal. Here you can see now it is in normal form. Okay. And second option is control 1. Okay, press control 1 for format cell window. Okay, here you can see format cell window, and I go to number, and here you can increase decimal point. Okay, suppose okay, I select 5 number. I select decimal in up to 5 numbers, then select 5 and okay. I have not selected it. Press control 1 and increase. Here you can see 50 added. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Okay. next 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 is currency. If you want any symbols of currency with your numbers, then we will use currency symbols. So you can use direct from here. Okay, suppose 15 and put 12, and I select India. Okay, India currency symbols I select. Here you can see symbols has been added. Similarly, if you want dollar, yeah, others, just you can select from here. Also you can go in format cell, control 1 and go to numbers, sorry, currency, and here you can see couple of option of currency. Okay, suppose I select Chinese Singapore. Okay, and okay, here you can see dollar sign has been added. I hope it is clear. So now next is date format. So you have one date for date, and you want to change this format. Suppose I have one date 12/9/2021. Its format is DDMMYY. But I need this. I need this in YYMM and DD format. Okay. So Again, go to format cell. Here you can see date and select format. Okay, so I selected this date and go to number and date. Here you can choose YYMMDD. So I select and OK. Here you can see now it is converted in YYMMDD format. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you want to any custom format, okay, you can change, you can create your own format. So let's again I go to format cell and here I select custom option. Here you can see custom option. I select custom option and I need a format. Suppose here you can see format option. Suppose I need format with timing, okay. Suppose I select DDMMYY, then hour, then minute, then second. Okay. Sorry, hour and minute. Okay, and then I select OK. Here you can see date time format is also showing. So you can create your own date format, yeah, other digit format. Okay. Now next, comma separated value. I hope you are enjoying this, and please like and subscribe and share this video. So next is comma separated value. Suppose I have some numbers, you know, here's some numbers, but you want this in comma separated format. Just select value and select here from comma style. Here you can see, okay, comma has been added. Comma has been added. So I hope it is clear and it is very useful for daily office work and other works. So thank you. Dhanyavad.